name is Chef Nicholas. Today we're going to cook turkey. And it's mostly for Thanksgiving, the occasions. And we have our ingredient.
A whole turkey from Farmer's Choice. Rosemary. Thyme. We get sage. Rick onion. Butter. Cranberry sauce and apples. Chop your herbs finely and mix it with salted butter. Loosen the skin of the turkey and rub the butter mixture under the skin. Apply butter mixture on the skin of the turkey. To add flavor in your turkey, chop rick onion, apple, celery, and stuff them in the cavity of the turkey. Place your turkey in a roasting pan and on a roasting rack in the preheated oven on 163 degrees. After every 1 hour, baste your turkey regularly to keep it moist. After the turkey is cooked and golden brown, let it rest at least 20 minutes from the oven before carving. This allows the juice to redistribute and it keep it moist. Carve your turkey when it is juicy and hot. Serve it with your drink of choice. I prefer mine with some dry white wine.